I'm going to show you how to make fun little ghost blow pops or ghost tootsie pops. And so I'm going to come in here and grab a couple pieces of tissue paper. And then what you'll do is you'll take a blow pop and then you'll take the tissue paper and just put it right in the middle like that. And then we'll just take it down. And then you'll take a piece of string, about 6 inches or so, wrap it around here, and just tie it. There you go, and there's the body. And now, what I'll do is I'll come in here with a Sharpie, then and draw on the eyes. And the mouth. And there you go. Pretty cool. Fun little craft that you can make and hand these out for Halloween instead of just a normal blow pops and tootsie pops or other candy. You can spend some time and make some of these up and hand these out to trick-or-treaters if you want. Pretty fun, or have them for like a Halloween party, whatever you want to do.